Hello guys, welcome back to Jin Stuff channel. So how you guys are doing? I hope everybody is good and safe. Guys, today's video, it's Saturday, so obviously grocery shopping day. So I'm gonna take you guys to an Indian shop here to buy Indian grocery items. So this shop is called Sri Murugan shop, and it's kind of like a supermarket where you can buy everything, all Indian groceries. So like vegetables and every grocery items you can buy from here. So let's get started, and guys, like I'll just show you guys a look through of that entire shop. Okay, so let's get started with no further ado. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Let's get started.
So here I just have to cross the road to reach the shop, and the mall which you see opposite to the road is where the shop is. And you can also see a Indian veg restaurant here where we can get very tasty hot sizzling vadais and all. Usually we get from there. So next to that is this shop. So this is called Sri Murugan shop, and this is the backside view of the shop. So I'm a member of this shop actually, I would say, because from the past 3.5 years, I'll just go here to buy all my Indian grocery items, and this is one of my favorite shop as well because you can literally get anything from here. Every vegetable you can get from here, and it's very fresh. It just comes daily, I think. So it's very fresh, and vegetables are really good. So I'm just starting with taking some tomatoes from here, and you can see, like, vegetables are really fresh. I think vegetables come here daily. Morning itself they get the vegetables fresh, I think. And it's just from the neighboring countries, maybe from India, Malaysia and all, because every vegetable you can get here, whatever variety of vegetable you want, you can get from here. So almost everything in a one single shop. So garlic as a whole, if you want, you can take, or else if you want just some pieces of garlic, if you're lazy to take that, then you also can buy pieces of garlic from here. And almost all chilies, bhaji mulgas and everything you can get from here, almost everything which we get from India. So almost everything you can get from here. So it's fresh and it's very tasty as well, because from past 3.5 years, like, I'm just buying groceries from here, and vegetables as well, and I'm just cooking, and it's so tasty. I really like it. And I'm just picking some potatoes. You also have baby potatoes, ginger, coconut, everything you can get from here. Okay, so this time something different was happening on the shop. Like, I could see literally everywhere shelved with kabasura kodinir. So I think that's very important for the season right now, so you have to get one and drink. So even I bought one and I tasted it. It was like, oh my god, it's very bitter. I mean, just I tasted Neelavimpu before, and it was like, it has a different smell which I really don't like. And this Kabasura Kudanir is far better than the one which we have from the Neelavimpu powder. So it's very, very bitter. But then, yeah, we have to have it. So I just took some 2 to 3 sips of it. But yeah, it's very healthy, so you need to have to boost up your immunity. You can just buy all these things from here. And I also took this this spinaches from here as well. So this is the one, drumstick spinach. And I still remember I have the drumstick tree on my home. Okay, India, we have the tree, but we never knew the importance of the tree as far as it was there with us, like nearby to us. But now I'm really missing it, and we give money to buy all these things. So if at all you get all these just nearby your home, you can just buy and have it, because they are the treasures that we can find nearby our homes. So yeah, we have it in our homes in India, right? So you can just go and take some drumstick leaves, and you can have it either as a, you can just have it like a poriel, or you can like have it with some porridge, something like that. So it's really important. And this time I also found this palm sugar, which everybody say that it's very important for women and all. So I thought, like, I should give a try for it as well. And here is the masala section where you can get every masalas, like starting from the brand like Archie, Everest, Red Label, Red Roses, and everything like that. You can get like Indian brands and also Malaysian brands, like Baba's masalas. And I tell you guys, Baba's masalas are really tasty, and I'm a big fan of it. So so that masalas you can get from here, and also canned food items. And these are like papadam, and yeah, you can see this papadam here. You can like get different brands like Udayam, and everything is there. Okay, you can just get whatever you want. So all Indian groceries you can get from here. So this is like, one stop for all Indian groceries. Pickle session, and I have taken like mango pickle. I guess I really like mango pickle from Priya's brand, I guess. Yeah, so it's really good. And mayonnaise and Maggie session. So this time I'm just skipping mayonnaise and Maggie because I'm like thinking about not to eat these. So I'm just stopping by here and I'm not buying anything from here. So this is again a healthy session like ragi, semia, semolina and everything like that. And also you have like sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, everything, literally everything you can find here. And this is frozen area where you can find curd, milk, juice, and that dosa maav, like freshly grinded dosa maav, and everything, idiyappam, chapati, everything you can get from there. So ghee section, ghee, dates, and instant mix like payasam and poha, puttu powder, idiyappam powder, gulab jamun mix, and what else, murk mix, and something like that. Everything you can get from here. And again, now we are in the shampoo section. So here you can also find that what is that, very important, shikakai powder. Yeah, you can get from here. And then this is something different, which was a eye catcher for me, so I thought of like giving a try this, and I bought this. So this is from Patanjali. It's an aloe vera juice. I thought like I have to buy it, and I just had it. I seriously tell you, the juice, it just, it's so different. It just has a I mean like a chili flavored something inside it. I don't know what is that. So it was like different. I just tried once and I didn't have it again. And this is something different. This was like nanari sharbat, something like that. So I don't know what is this made of. So these are some of the new things which I found in this shop this time. So I was like really amazed to see what are they. So these are something, some rose syrup and nanari syrup. I don't know what is that. I have to like Google search it. So next time if I want, I can just go for it. And orange juice and everything. And also here you can buy every oil. Okay, so starting from like coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, whatever oil. So if you want, you can get those oil from here for your hair. And also for body, you can get aloe vera gel from Patanjali brand. So if you want something from Patanjali brand, you can try searching from here because you may get it. And also some interesting thing which I saw was like asafoetida balls, like for the gastritis, and something from Patanjali brand again you can get from here. It was really interesting. And this is cooking oil and atta section. So here you can get Ashirvad atta, Pillsbury atta, and rice, and everything you can get from here. And also, for like dishwashing powders. And this is idli rice, which I'm gonna take one. And I'm also gonna take some oil from here. So I'll always go for Udayam brand or like Gold Winner. So these are my cooking options. And if you want like pure coconut oil for cooking, you can also get from here. And these are like rice cooker and mixie. So you can buy everything from here, like the kitchen necessities. So look at it, you can get from here. And grinder, kettle, and kadais, like kitchen accessories, whatever you want, like kitchen utensils. And this is the Italy steamer cooker. So if you want, you can buy that as well. So these are some of the utensils which you can find here. And you can also find that aluminium kadais, dosa tawa, and everything like that. And juice section again. And also you have these washing necessities, something like washing powder, dishwashing liquids, powders, and everything. And this is frozen area where you can get instant parotas, chapati, paneer, peas, and all frozen items. And yeah, you can get all these items from here. And by this, I'm like stopping my vlog for today. I mean, I have like showed you the entire shop, I guess. And you can also get fruits from here. And I missed that section, I guess. Yeah, so my shopping for the week I just completed. And this time I just bought little groceries, like I almost have everything at home. And I thought of like buying something different, like if it was like an eye catcher for me, I thought of like buying it and giving it a try. So I just have to cross this road and reach my home. So here I am finally, and I'll show you guys what are the things I bought just randomly. Okay, so this is drumstick spinach. I have to make a curry out of it. And then I also bought this aloe vera juice, Patanjali, So this taste is something very different. It just has a burning sensation on the throat. I don't know why it tastes like that, because I know the fresh taste of aloe vera juice. I have already drunk, so this is something different, and it's very costly as well. I just paid some $8 to $9, around 400 to 500 rupees Indian currency. So it's really different. And then I also bought palm jaggery, and then oil, rice, peanuts, papadam, and some vegetables, so brinjal, potato, and some vegetables like that I just bought, and also black dates. And then I bought some curd. So I usually make curd at home, but this time I thought of like buying it from shop, so I'm too lazy to prepare yogurt at home. And then I also bought shark dry fish, so it's very tasty. And then I bought golden raisins. I actually wanted to buy black one, but I didn't get. And then some tur dal, and also these bhaji molakas. I really love it. It's so tasty, guys. I'll just show you one recipe with it. Okay, these bhaji molakas, onion and dry fish. It's very very tasty. So I just bought it, and also I bought a small one here because I just wanted to dry it, and then I have to like put it into the pot and gonna check whether it grows. And also I bought some yam, so yam fry, it's very tasty. And I also bought wheat flour. So this is 5 kg wheat flour from Pillsbury brand. So I really love Pillsbury atta because as it is mentioned on the top of the cover, it is very soft. And then I also bought 1 kg onion, and then channa, and this brown sugar. So I'm trying to shift to brown sugar from now on. And then this is green gram. And then I bought a coconut. And then what else? I also bought salt. So this is the one which we get from India, so I bought the same. And then cashew nuts, and tur dal for sambar. And then, so this is the product of India, it's been written there. And then I also bought some Ashirwad ghee. And what else? Maida. So I usually don't buy maida, but then sometimes I feel like eating parota, so I just make parotas using maida. And then this is Goa, and it was really fresh, and it was like nice, light green color, so I thought of like buying one. And then cucumber. So I also bought drumstick. So again, drumstick for sambar, and green chili, and murukku. So some curry leaves and everything like that. Then sweet potato, as usual, my favorite one. And then garlic roll. And also I bought some fruits. So I took some blueberry. Actually, it wasn't an offer. Like if you take 2, you get good offer, and if you take 1, it was like a bit pricey. So I thought of like taking 2. And then I took oranges and some apple and a sausage. So this sausage is from another shop. So yeah, these are the things which I bought for this week.
I hope this video was useful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.